Salam everyone. Today we are going to start chapter 3 of class 10, pair of linear equation in two variables. Now let's start with what is this linear equation. Linear means already you know if the degree of any algebraic expression is 1. जब degree 1 होता है, if I take 2x plus 10 equals to 0. So if the degree is what? 1. Then I can say that this is what? Linear equation. But now I want linear equation with what? Two variables. Here in this equation there is only one variable, that is what? X. But now it is linear equation in two variables. For this I can write it's 2x plus 3y equals to 10. So I can say that this equation is what? Linear equation with two variables. Why? Here x and y. Two variables are there. 2 and 3 are what? Real numbers, and 10 is also real number. For to write standard form of this linear equation in two variable is what? Its standard form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So here this is the standard form of linear equation with two variable where x and y are the variables. A, B and C belongs to what? Real number. Similarly, we can write other example also, like 7x minus 2y equals to 10. This is also a linear equation. Now, it is possible that either coefficient A and coefficient B might be 0. Then also we can say that given equation is what? Linear equation with two variables. If I write 2x equals to 10, this is also a linear equation with two variables. Now you will think y is not there, then how can it be a linear equation with two variables? It means what? I can convert this equation into standard form. How I am going to convert this? 2x plus, now y term is not there. What does it mean? It means it's 0 y equals to what? 10. So I convert this equation into standard form, that is 2x plus 0y plus 10. What does it mean? Here the value of a is what? Value of a is 2 and the value of b is what? 0. So 0 into y is 0 only, so we are not writing in the equation. It means the value of b is what? 0. And if we take its reverse condition, let's take a term as a negative, then equation will be 3y equals to say 15. Now for this equation x term is not there. What does it mean? If x term is not there, I can write 0x plus 3y equals to 15. So we can convert this term into standard form, that is what? This one. Instead of a, here it is 0, this is what? X, plus instead of b, here it is what? 3 and y, and instead of c is what? 15. Now actually it should be c. Now here a is what? 0 and b is equals to 3. Now from this I can say that here in first example b was 0 and a is equals to 2. In second example a is 0 and b equals to 3. It is never possible that a and b both are 0. What does it mean? For the given standard form, a के इक्वेशन में a और b दोनों 0 नहीं हो सकते. It will be never like this 0x plus 0y equals to 10. ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा. So what does it mean? I can write one more condition here. A square plus b square is never equals to what? 0. Why I am writing it's not equals to 0? दोनों के स्क्वायर का एडिशन. Square of any number is always positive. Square of any number is always positive. और मैंने ये कहा a and b are never simultaneously 0. A and b can be never 0 एक ही साथ साइमल्टेनियसली मीन्स एक साथ दोनों जीरो नहीं हो सकते, या तो ए जीरो होगा या तो बी. सो आई कैन राइट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर इज नेवर इक्वल्स टू जीरो. या तो ये जीरो होगा या तो ये जीरो होगा. एंड द स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी टर्म इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. कोई भी टर्म का स्क्वायर हमेशा क्या होगा, पॉजिटिव. तो ये कंडीशन भी तुम्हें याद रखना फॉर एमसीक्यू और फॉर ऑब्जेक्टिव. दिस ऑल कंडीशन इज व्हाट फॉर लीनियर इक्वेशन. नाउ द चैप्टर इज व्हाट, pair of linear equation. Now in most of whole chapter we are going to solve all the sums related to what, pair of linear equation. Just for example, now pair of linear equation means there will be always two equations. Example, 2x plus y equals to 7 and x minus 2y equals to 6. So this is what pair of linear equation. ये दिस इज इक्वेशन 1 एंड दिस इज इक्वेशन 2. तो ये दोनों कंबाइन, दिस आर व्हाट, अ पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन. इफ आई राइट डाउन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, हियर दिस इज a, दिस इज आल्सो a. So what I am going to write for the first equation, it's a1x plus b1y plus c equals to 0. Similarly, here a2x b2y plus c1 and c2 equals to 0. This is the standard form for pair of linear equation. Now, those who are thinking, why I am not taking here x1, y1, x2, y2, the value of x and y is will remain same for both the equation. दोनों equation के लिए x और y का value तो same ही रहेगा. a1, a2 are different. Look at this one. Here what is the value of a1? It's 2. Here the value of a2 is what? 1. Here the value of b1 is what? 1. And value of b2 is what? Minus 2. If I write down the values, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Now a1 is what? Coefficient of x, that is what? 2. b1 is what? Coefficient of first equation, it's what? 1. a2 is what? 1. b2 is what? Minus 2. So these are the value of a1, a2, b1, b2. Now if I convert this into standard form, तो इसका standard form क्या होगा? 2x plus y, I have to take the 7 inside. 7 को अंदर लूंगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? If I take the 7 inside the equation, left hand side, तो क्या हो जाएगा? Minus. So c1 is what? Minus 7. Similarly, if I take this 6 inside the equation, x minus 2y minus 6 equals to 0. So c2 is what? Minus 6. So this is the way I got the coefficient of linear equation with two variables. Now let's take the same example. That is what? 2x plus y equals to 7, x minus 2y equals to 6. Now this is a pair of linear equation. Now to solve this equation, we are going to understand this whole chapter. I think there are 6 exercises and 4 different methods are there. There are 4 methods to solve this equation. To solve this equation means what? To find the value of x and y. हमें x और y का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है, और वो वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए हमेशा दो इक्वेशन दिए होंगे. There will be always two equation. So this is what? A pair of linear equation. Here first method is what? It's graphical method to find solution. Then it's substitution method. Third is elimination method, and the last is cross multiplication method. So here these are the basic four methods to solve what this equation. हम यही equation के values find कर सकते हैं by any of this method, that is graphical method, substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. So first of all we are going to start with what? Graphical method. The basic of graphical method already we done in 9th standard, to draw a line from given equation. Now the difference is what? You have to draw two lines on same graph by using these two equations. So let's start with the basic two example of this. That is what? Graphical method. Now to start with graphical method, its first point is what? Take first equation. Let me use first equation here. 2x plus y equals to 7. Now I am going to take this 2x over this side. So equation becomes y equals to 7 minus 2x. Now in this equation I am going to replace different values of x. x की जगह पे मैं अलग अलग वैल्यू रिप्लेस करूंगा, so that I get the very different values of y. So here if x equals to 2, if x equals to 2, हम कोई भी नंबर ले सकते हैं, पर नंबर ऐसे लेना कि ग्राफ में प्लॉट हो पाए. So y equals to 7, 2 into 2, 7 minus 4, this is what? 3. Y equals to 3. Then another, let's take x equals to 3. Then this equation y equals to 7 minus, instead of x I am going to write here 3. So 7 minus 6 equals to what? 1. I have to take at least 3 solutions to get a straight line. If x equals to, let's take 4, then y equals to 7 minus 2 into 4, 7, 8, and this is what? Minus 1. So I got the first table here, and the table is what? x, y. Replace the values of x, 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3, 4. What are the values of y I got here? 2, it's what? 3. जब 3 लिया तब y का वैल्यू क्या मिला मुझे? It's what? 1. When I took x equals to 4, what is the value of y? Minus 1. So these are the solution for equation 1. Now whatever method I done for the first equation, same thing I have to do for second equation. X minus 2y equals to 6. Now here I took, यहाँ पे y का कोएफिशिएंट क्या था? 1. So it's better to get the value of y. Here the coefficient of x is what? 1. So it's simple to get the values of x. So I'll take this 2y over that side. So x equals to 6 plus 2y. Now this equation I am going to consider. Now I have to replace the value of y, 3 different value of y, to get 3 different values of x. Now y, if take y equals to minus 2. So x equals to 6 plus 2 into minus 2. So 6 minus 4 is what? 2. If y equals to, say, minus 3, you can take any number, but suppose if I take 3 here, positive 3. So 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 6, 12. And 12 is a quite bigger number to plot on graph. It's not quite convenient. So I am taking what? Negative number. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? X equals to 6 plus 2 into minus 3. So 6 minus 6 equals to what? 0. Then last one more condition. If y equals to minus 4, then x equals to, where is the equation? 6 plus 2y. Now instead of 5, I am going to replace what? Minus 4. 2 minus 4 is what? Minus 8, and it's minus 2. So I got the value of x is what? Minus 2. Now if I draw one more table, xy. Now what are the different values of y I took? Take care of this thing when you're going to replace the value of y. Y is what? Minus 2. By mistake, don't replace this value in x. Y is what? Minus 3. Then y is what? Minus 4. Then x equals to minus 2. When I took minus 3, it's what? It's what? 0. And when I took y equals to minus 2, I got positive 2. So this is the way I got another table. Now I got both the tables. Now I have to plot this coordinates on graph. Let me write down this table here. Let me copy this. 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 1 and 3. That is another one. Now if you look at both the tables, what is the maximum number here? It's 4. What is the maximum number? It's minus 4. So I'm going to draw, I'm going to plot graph till 4 only. Check 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2. For the solution, you require a graph paper, definitely. Then only you will get a perfect answer. It is not possible to draw roughly and get the answer. This is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Let's plot this blue box first. So 2 and 3. So 2 of x-axis, 3 of y-axis. 2 and 3 might be here somewhere. Approx. As I'm not drawing on graph. I'm drawing on a plain board. I have to just take an approx point. That is what? 2, 3 and 1. 3 and 1. 3 of x-axis, 1 of y-axis here. Somewhat here. Last one. Or if you want to write, then you can write better for better understanding. Last 4 minus 1. This is 4 and this is minus 1 y-axis. 4 minus 1. Now if you just look at this number, are they coming on a straight line? Yes, definitely they are getting on a straight line. Then I can say that this line is what? This line is correct for first equation. Let's draw this line. Okay. So this is that line. As I am drawing roughly, I am not getting exactly passing to that point, but you have to draw with a scale. Similarly, I am going to plot this second one, black box with black marker. That is 2 minus 2. 2 of x-axis minus 2 of y-axis here somewhere. 2 minus 2. 0 minus 3. What is 0? 0 minus 3. 0 of x-axis means this one, and minus 3 of y-axis. Minus 3 of y-axis. 0 of x-axis. This is what? 0 and minus 3. So this is the point. And the last point, minus 2, minus 4. Minus 2 and minus 4. Somewhat over here. So if you look this roughly, we can get a straight line here. Definitely we are going to get. अगर मुझे ये पॉइंट यहाँ कहीं इधर कहीं मिलता ना, So I have to understand that my some solution is wrong. If you got some solution wrong here, you will never get a straight line. अगर straight line मिल रहा है तो definitely your plotting is correct and your solution is also correct. So I can draw a straight line passing through this blue line. Already a blue line is here. I am going to draw this straight line passing through this. Suppose if you want to draw up to this, you have to extend both the line till they are not intersecting. हमें लाइन इतना एक्सटेंड करना है कि वो इंटरसेक्ट होना ही चाहिए. So I'm going to are they intersecting at one point? Yes, they are intersecting at point 4 and minus 1. To draw on a graph, exactly you get the same point. So I got here 4 minus 1. So what is the point? What is the coordinate of the point of intersection? The point of intersection is 4 minus 1. 4 of x-axis minus 1 of y-axis. What does it mean? The solution for this equation. Solution of given equation is what? 4 minus 1. Now, how to verify whether this solution is correct or not? Replace this value in any of the equation. And this is what? Value of x and this is value of y. Now, I am going to replace this value in any one equation. Let's take the first equation. 2x plus y. 2 की जगह 2. What is the value of x we got? 4. Plus, what is the value of y I got? Minus 1. So, it's 8 plus minus minus. Am I getting 7 here? Here this is 7, here this is 7. So, calculation and plotting, everything is correct. Let's verify with one more equation. Second equation. X minus 2y equals to x minus 2y. What is the value of x here? It's 4. Minus as it is 2 as it is, instead of y I am going to replace it by minus 1. So 4 minus minus plus 2. This is what? Here it is 6 and I got 6. So this is a part of verification only. This is not part of solution. ग्राफ का प्लॉट करना है जहां पे दोनों लाइन इंटरसेक्ट होंगे. That is the solution of given equation. Now this solution means what? Value of x and value of y. दोनों इक्वेशन के लिए वैल्यू ऑफ x और y तो सेम रहेगा. That's why we are not taking x1, y1, x2, y2. So this is the way we can plot graph to find the solution of given pair of linear equation. Let's take one more example. 2x plus 3y equals to 12. 2x plus 3y equals to 6. Now we have to draw graph for this question to find its solution. Let's take first equation. 2x plus 3y equals to 12. So I can write 2x equals to 12 minus 3y. I took this 3y over this side, so sign will change, and x equals to 12 minus 3y upon 2. Now similarly for this one, 2x equals to 6 minus 3y, x equals to 6 minus 3y upon 2. You can take this 2x over that side, then also it's possible. But here I took 3y over that side, and here also I take 3y over that side. Now I have to replace the different value of y to get different value of x. So if y equals to, take 2, y की जगह पे 2, तो x क्या होगा? 12 minus 3 into 2 upon 2. 12, 3 2s are 6. 12 minus 6 upon 2. 12 minus 6 upon 2 is what? 3. Similarly, if y equals to, take 4. Now instead of y I am going to replace it by 4. X equals to 12 minus 3 into 4 upon 2. So 12, 3 4s are 12 upon 2. So definitely it's what? 0. 12 minus 12 is what? 0. Now third one, if y equals to, we can take any number, but ऐसा नंबर लेना कि वो 2 से डिविजिबल हो. So if I take here 6, So let's y equals to 6. So 12 minus 3 into 6 upon 2. So it's 12 minus 18 upon 2. 12 minus 18, it's minus 6, greater number sign, upon 2, it's minus 3. So I got 3 values here for 3 different values of y. So from this we can draw a table. X and y. Now what are the different values of y here? 2, 4 and 6. So 2, 4 and 6. What are the values I got? If it is 2 I got 3. If it is 4 I got 0. If it is 6 I got minus 3. So we got one table. Similarly we want to find another table for second equation. Now for second equation, again it's x 3y upon 2. If y equals to, take any other value here, it will be 6 minus, take here 2. So x equals to 6 minus 3 into 2 upon 2. So 6 minus 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is what? 0. Because 0 upon 2 is also 0. If y equals to 4, then x equals to, जहाँ पे y है उसकी जगह क्या आएगा 4. So 6 minus 3 into 4 upon 2. So 6 minus 12 upon 2. 6 minus 12 is what? Minus 6 upon 2. So 6 by 2 is what? Minus 3. Then one more condition. If y equals to, take 6. Now x equals to 6 minus 3 into 6 upon 2. 6 minus 18 upon 2. So it's what? Minus 12 upon 2. 2 will cancel 12 6 times. So it's what? Minus 6. So this is the way I got 3 different values, and draw the table of this one here. X and y. What are the different values of y? I took 2, 4, 6 again. So 2, 4 and 6. The values of x are what? 0, minus 3, minus 6. 0, minus 3, minus 6. I got 2 tables. First equation, and this is for second equation. Now I have to plot this coordinate on a graph to find its solution. Now, if you look both the tables, this one and this one, the maximum number is what? 6. Here the maximum number is what? 6. So I am going to plot graph till 6 digits only. So it's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here positive, here negative, here positive, minus, sorry, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Now already I plotted. This is x-axis and this is what? Y-axis. Now let's plot all the points. Here, let's plot this was 3 and 2. 3 of x-axis, 2 of y-axis. Somewhat over here. That is what? 3, 2. Then 0, 4. 0 of x-axis, 4 of y-axis. 0 of x-axis, this is, and 4 of y-axis. So this is the point. 0, 4. Minus 3, 6. Minus 3 and positive 6. Minus 3, positive 6 is somewhat here. This line and here. So approximate minus 3 and 6. If you look at this, all 3 points, they are lying on the same straight line. So this is the way I got a straight line. If I am getting a straight line, our solution is correct. Now let's plot this another table. 0, 2. 0 of x-axis, 2 of y-axis. This is 0 of x-axis, 2 of y-axis. So this is the point 0, 2. Minus 3, 4. Minus 3 and plus 4. So here minus 3 plus 4. It's somewhat here. Minus 3 plus 4. And last one, minus 6 and 6. Minus 6 and plus 6. If I take approx value somewhere here, on graph you will not find out this problem. So if you look at again this 3 number, if I extend it, they will remain parallel to each other. If you draw this line with a scale, you get a parallel lines. And if you are getting a parallel lines, on graph, it means it has no solution. No solution means it has no solution. Now, these two lines are not intersecting each other. It means it has no solution. अगर इसका कोई solution होता तो वो कोई point पे intersect होता. So from this graph itself, we can see that there are no values for x and y, because if you look at this equation, 2x plus 3y is 12 and same 2x plus 3y is what? 6. दोनों के right and left hand sides are equal, but their left hand sides are different. So we can say that the given equation has no solution because lines are not intersecting. So from this what you have to learn, if lines are not intersecting, it has no solution. So this is the way we can plot graph for empty solution, or we can say this is what? Empty solution. So there are some basic rules or direct method to how to find whether the equation has solutions or not, whether they get empty solution or unique solution. Unique solution means they are intersecting at one point. All these things will clear in the next part of our video, where I am going to explain you the table from which you are able to understand when you get no solution, when you get unique solution, or when you will get an infinite solution. So we will carry on that part in the next video. So up to this, you have to understand how to plot graph to get the solution.